Today I'm off on the XR where I'm going to head up north. There's something I wanted to check out for ages. I've got fuel, I've got check the oil, pay the Honda tax. Any XR owner will tell you that the Honda tax is payable with oil. Check the air. We're going to head off. I love this XR. It's not your standard XR. It's got upgraded front suspension, revalved. It's got a oversized 240mm front brake disc, better brakes, braided brake lines. I've got a stage 1 cam. I've got a power pipe and a HM muffler. I've got a re-sprung and revalved rear shock. I've got bar risers. I've got a homemade comfy seat. And I've got a 40mm pumper carb, which really is like a light switch. The power comes on straight away. So she's not your standard bit of gear, but I love it. It's like a hot rod. Let's head off up to the bush. And I've just noticed the speedo says 16,666.6. That's got to be a good sign, or a bad one. We'll see what happens. We're out on the XR 650R again, doing a bit of heart and soul therapy today. I was going to do an overnight trip, but the weatherman says it's going to rain for 6 days. We've had a bit of rain the last few days, so there's going to be zero dust. There might be a bit of erosion and washouts and mud. So we'll see. Some of these tracks are prone to rutting pretty bad. We'll see how we go. This dappled light, it's kind of hard to see where the bumps are. Oop. General public. There's a note for you campers. Boxing Day 2023. I reckon there's 1, 2, 3, 4 people camping here at Crowdy Bay Caravan camping area. 5, there you go. Interesting there for you. If you want to find somewhere uncrowded to camp on Boxing Day or Christmas, this is the place. Incredible. Nobody here. Wow. We're going to go up to those mountains over there. They're called the Three Brothers, named by Captain Cook as he sailed past in 1770, I think. Anyway, it turns out the local indigenous mob, I think is the Dungutty mob, they named them the Three Brothers, I don't know, 50,000 years ago. So, a bit of a coincidence. We're going to go up there today and have a look up there. He's up here, where we are. Little brother forest. Look at the size of that big bugger. Black butt tree. Don't even see it can go to the top. Wow. Let's go and find some bigger ones. How's my hair? Is it alright? Just walking through this massive black butt forest. Some of the trees in here are incredible. Just amazing. You can see why the loggers would have creamed themselves about this place back in the day. How beautiful. On we go. So, after a short walk through a very humid forest and some slippery tracks, I've made it to the famous bird tree. This is the biggest black butt tree in New South Wales, I think, maybe the world, I don't know. Let's check it out. This is the base of it. Let's measure it in metres from here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 metres across. Wow. Incredible. They've built this walkway around it, so looks like there's a wombat living underneath it. Incredible. Well, we made it, the bird tree. For you non-metric people, 6 metres is about 20 feet. Wow. There's another really big one. Just on the side of the track. Another one. Wow. Next time you come here, do it when it's not 33 degrees. Do it in winter. Right, we're going to try and find a different way home. Kendall, let's do that. No, that's the wrong way. Kendall's the wrong bloody way. Kendall is... That is the road I want. That'll take me on that side of the mountain. there. Time to head for home. Everything is so green and lush. Talk about El Nino, we've had so much rain. Unpredicted. Well, not predicted. Supposed to be a dry summer with one of the wettest I can remember. Beautiful. We're at the creek already. Got a lot of water in it. A lot of snags too. I'm behind the highway patrol, so that'll keep me on my toes. We went to see the biggest blackbutt tree in New South Wales. Now we can see the biggest oyster in New South Wales. Have a go at that. You won't see bigger. Just putting through sunny Taree. Seen some nice countryside today and some new roads. Thanks for coming along. See you next time.